Wherever you want,
Hey,
but no talking to animals.
hey, animal.
Hey, said no talking to animals.
Hey.
Don't talk to my dog! She doesn't even speak English.
Hello.
She speaks Spanish.
Hello.
¿Cuántos años, tú? ¿Cuántos años? How many buttholes do you have, Steve? No, I can talk to Steve. You can't talk to Steve.
Hey, Stevie.
Hey, you stop it! I will throw you right out this window for talking to dogs.
Hey,
You know
Steve.
it's legal in this state.
Steve.
Be down! Alright, let's just pretend the dog's name is not Steve. You can go ahead and say Steve all you want, but I'm gonna think you're talking about Stevie Nittens, so go ahead. Try it.
Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy.
No, don't refer to her as a dog, then they'll know you're talking to animals.
Hey, doggy.
I'm gonna get in so much trouble when the cops find out you're talking to dogs.
Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy.
Look at this guy. He's as stupid as you guys. He's driving the wrong lane. Hey, I bet you're talking to a dog. You guys are
Hey,
drunk
doggy.
on
Hey, doggy.
dog.
Hello,
Jill or
pet
Jill?
dog. Hello, pet dog.
Jill.
Ooh, what's in here? A couple
Hey, doggy.
Stevie Butthole.
Hey, doggy, doggy, doggy,
Her
doggy.
name is not Stevie Butthole. All right.
Hey, doggy, doggy, doggy.
Want to tell us? Want to tell us? Because if you have 13, I get $1 million.
Right.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.